Welcome to your mindful morning meditation, setting intentions for calm. Begin by finding a comfortable seated position, or lie down if you prefer. Let your hands rest gently on your knees or by your side. Close your eyes if that feels safe, or let your gaze soften. Let's start by taking a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold it gently at the top. Now, exhale slowly and completely through your mouth, allowing any tension you're carrying to leave your body. Take another deep breath in, noticing how your chest and belly gently rise. Exhale, and feel your shoulders drop, relaxing away from your ears. Continue taking deep, easy breaths at your own pace, each one inviting more calm into your morning. As your breathing settles into a gentle, natural rhythm, bring your attention to your body. Notice the points of contact your seat with the chair or floor, your back supported, the air on your skin. Feel the gentle pull of gravity grounding you to the earth. With each breath, imagine a sense of relaxation spreading through your entire body. Begin at the top of your head. As you exhale, release any tightness in your scalp, forehead, and eyebrows. Let your jaw unclench, your face soften. Feel warmth and calm move down your neck, relaxing your shoulders, your arms, your hands and fingers. Bring your awareness to your chest and heart area. With your next breath in, imagine you're breathing in calm energy. As you breathe out, release any stress or worry you've been holding here. Feel your heart beating gently, steady, and present. Move your mindfulness down into your stomach, hips, legs, and all the way out to your toes. If you notice any discomfort, simply acknowledge it and send it kindness with your attention. You are safe and present in this moment. Now, gently bring your attention to your mind. Imagine your thoughts drifting by like clouds in a bright morning sky. There is no need to chase or judge them, just let them come and go as they will. Notice the spaces between your thoughts, the quiet moments. Sink into that spaciousness with your breath. As you feel yourself becoming more centered and calm, begin to set your intention for the day ahead. Consider what quality or energy you wish to carry with you. Perhaps it's calm and clarity, or kindness, focus, and presence. Whatever feels right for you, allow that quality to fill your awareness. Imagine it as a gentle light resting in the center of your chest. With every inhale, this light grows a little brighter. With every exhale, it expands through your whole body, steady and peaceful. Let this feeling take shape in your mind through these words. Today, I move calmly and intentionally. I meet what comes with patience and understanding. I begin this day from a place of balance and peace. Allow these words to settle in your heart. Feel the truth of them as you breathe slowly and fully. Each breath anchors your intention deeper within you, joining calm with purpose, stillness with gentle strength. Now, picture yourself carrying this intention into the rest of your morning. See yourself moving with ease, your actions deliberate and unhurried. Visualize moments of stillness, drinking your morning coffee, opening a window, or starting your work with calm, centered awareness guiding you through each one. If challenges arise, know you can always pause, breathe, and reconnect with this steady inner calm you've created. Take a few more deep, nourishing breaths. Notice any shifts in your body, your emotions, and the quality of your energy. You have already shaped the tone of your day with presence and care. Slowly bring your attention back to the space around you. Feel the ground supporting you, the air on your skin. Wiggle your fingers and toes as you gently awaken your body. When you're ready, open your eyes. Take one final deep breath in and exhale with gratitude. You are calm. You are ready. Move forward into your day with intention and peace.